Molerin Latex is a high-quality interior paint, specially designed for walls exposed to higher stress. Thanks to Class 1 wet scrub resistance, it withstands wet wiping and is ideal for spaces requiring frequent cleaning. Available in matte and satin finishes, depending on the desired visual effect. Quality is confirmed by the Quality Austria seal and EN 13300 Class 1 for hiding power and Class 1 for scrub resistance. Before starting, prepare the necessary tools. The first step is preparing the surface. Clean the wall and prime it with dispersive impregnation Practic. Dilute dispersive impregnation Practic with up to 5% water if needed. Apply with a roller or brush to a clean, dry surface. Why is dispersive impregnation Practic essential? Evens and strengthens the surface, creates a good bond between old and new materials, reduces consumption of finishing materials, extends the open working time, and it's available in white or tinted variant. Once the surface is dry, apply Molerin Latex. Before use, dilute with up to 5% water and mix thoroughly. Apply the first coat with a brush, roller, or compressor. Thanks to its easy and fast application, it is an ideal choice for all interior types. Its eco-friendly formula with low VOC content makes it safe and reliable for daily use. The improved formula ensures even stronger coverage, making Molerin Latex a dependable option for more demanding wall surfaces. It is available in matte and satin finishes, allowing you to choose the look that best fits your space, from subtly elegant matte to the gentle sheen of satin. Everyday use walls often get dirty from children's hands, furniture marks, or accidental touches. Thanks to Class 1 wet scrub resistance, Molerin Latex can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth without damaging the surface or losing color. Besides easy maintenance, Molerin Latex provides Class 1 hiding power, meaning strong coverage power that saves both time and material.